Today, I'm going to tell you about a trademark and how to register it in India. Well, a trademark is a unique symbol or words used to represent a business or its product. In fact, it is the most valuable asset of a modern company. The first thing is to spot all possible words, sizes, and images that may qualify for the protection of trademark under law. To identify trademark of your business, look for any word, graphics, or sign through which your client recognizes you. It may be your business name, name of brands under which your goods or services are sold, or it may be your logo or slogan. Go ahead, keep finding the intellectual property rights which you own and take steps to register it. Well, once you have identified your intellectual property, proceed for its registration with the trademark registrar. Once a trademark application is filed, before the registrar of the trademarks, the owner receives 3 key of benefits. Number 1. A public declaration that the trademark is owned by you and can place a mark of TM over its trademark. It acts as a deterrent against copying by fraudulent people. Number 2. Unless disputed by government or a third party, this is the claim of ownership pending registration. Number 3. Once the registration of trademark is granted and the certificate is issued, you get exclusive right to do whatever you want with your trademark. Don't forget to renew it every 10th year. Now, I will tell you the procedure of trademark registration. Number 1. Find a trademark attorney. Like us, we are helping over 9,000 trademarks. In fact, we have many big brands as our clients. Some of them are even from the Indian government, like Indian Post Bank. Number 2. You have to share a filled questionnaire to us with basic information of the applicant, a description of the trademark and image of logo. If you are filing for logo registration, our team of lawyers and paralegal staff would then draft necessary documents like affidavits and attorney, authorization for your signature and legalization. Number 3. Thereafter, we shall file the application within hours and you can start using TM symbol over your trademark. It's easy. You may be wondering as to what is the difference between symbol, TM, SM and R. Let me tell you that using the trademark symbol after a logo or phrase alerts competitors that you have claimed a particular trademark. R symbol is used after the trademark is registered, whereas the symbol TM or SM, which stand for trademark or service mark respectively, can be used immediately after filing the application. What next? You may request a free trademark search for its availability. The link is in the description of this video, or you can visit our website www.setindiabiz.com.